subscribe our channel, like and don't forget to press the bell icon.
Assalamu alaikum students. This is the cover page of our textbook Computer Science Grade 9 by National Book Foundation. Chapter number 1, which is Fundamentals of Computer. Week 1, Lecture 1. First topic is what is a computer. As you know, computer is an electronic machine, means it works with electricity, that is used to solve our daily life problems in accurate, fast and efficient way. It is general purpose programmable machine. General purpose mean we can use computer for multiple tasks, like if you want to send an email you can use computer, if you want to watch a movie you can use computer, if you want to type a letter you can use computer. Programmable machine, obviously to perform different tasks we need different types of software, so that's why we call it general purpose programmable machine. How it works? It takes raw data as input through input devices. As you all know, input devices mean the devices that are used to enter data into the computer to perform some different actions. And input devices like keyboard and mouse. Keyboard input device which is used to enter textual data, and mouse is used to control the movement of cursor on the screen. It processes that data according to the given instruction. For example, you enter 2 plus 2, so it will process 2 plus 2 according to the given instruction, mean it will perform the action of addition on the given data. After process of data, it stored the result in storage devices. Storage devices means you can store the result permanently in hard disk, memory card, USB flash drive and many other devices like CD and DVD, etc. Display result on output devices. Obviously, after giving input to the computer and after processing of that input data, you need result on some device. So computer gives you result on output devices like monitor and printer. Through monitor we get display result. Display results in short form, and by using printer we can have results in hard form. Our next topic is evolution of computer. How computer evolved from first mechanical device to modern electric digital computers. For example, the first device was abacus, and then it moved to Napier-Bourne and Pascaline, and many other devices are included into the evolution of computer. Evolve mean to develop gradually, means the first device was abacus and then it gradually evolve into the next device and then so on, and now we are using laptops and smartphones, etc. Abacus. Abacus is an earliest calculating device, most probably invented by China. It was made of wooden frame, and that wooden frame contains parallel rods. Rods contain wooden beads to perform calculations. Abacus can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and this type of actions are performed by the movement of wooden beads. Next is Napier-Bourne. In 1614, John Napier invented a calculating device called Napier-Bourne. John was a Scottish mathematician, means he lived in Scotland, and by profession he was a mathematician. The device was made of a wooden box. Wooden box contains rotating cylinders. 0 to 9 digits were written on the cylinders for calculations. It could multiply, divide and find square roots of given numbers by simple addition and subtraction rule. If we compare it with the abacus, abacus was made of wooden frame and Napier bone is made of wooden box. Abacus contains parallel rods and Napier bone contains rotating cylinders. That parallel rods contain in abacus, parallel rods contain wooden beads for to perform calculations, and in Napier bone rotating cylinders contain 0 to 9 digits to perform calculations. Another invention of John Napier was he invented logarithm, analytical engine and difference engine. In 1822, Charles Babbage tried to build a big calculating machine called analytical engine. He worked many years, but he was not able to complete it. Then he started working on idea of a new device he called difference engine. Again, he was not successful because the technology was not so advanced. The technology that was required for completion of analytical engine difference engine was not available at that time. Today our modern digital computers are based upon the idea of a difference engine which was not completed by Charles Babbage due to the lack of advanced technology. So Charles Babbage is known as a father of modern digital computer because modern digital computers are based upon the idea of difference engine. Here is the book page number 9 from where I made these slides. If you don't have the book, you can get help from here. This is the page 10 of the book. I have added these pictures. If you don't have the book due to some problems, you can take some help. Okay, what you have to do, your task is to, the first task, you have to write few lines about Pascaline, as I have discussed about abacus, and the second device was Napier bone. After that you will discuss about the Hollerith, and the third is you will write few lines about slide rule. What is slide rule, who invented it, its structure, like I have discussed in the video. Next topic is you have to write about the Mark 1, that is given on the page number 11. The last task is you have to solve a question from the exercise, that is question number 2 and part 1. Have a good time, keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.